Vintage lace is part of a brand new collection from our friends at Crafters Companion. Now this is labeled as a signature collection by Sarah Davies, who is the owner. Now this has a thick piece. You can see how thick that is. And I wanted to show you each of these pages. Now there are a ton of products that correspond with this under the vintage lace design or name. There's embossing folders, there's cutting dies, all sorts of things. But I just wanted to give you a peek at every single one of the papers, and we're going to begin here. We'll get back a little bit just so you can see the whole paper. That's great. Too far, go down, Steve. Down, that's good. Okay, little comment there. Okay, now they are all single-sided and they are beautiful. You can see the purple, there's some teal at the top. They're all this sort of soft collage look, and there are 16 different designs, so I'm just going to page through them. And I missed one. There you go. Oh, so pretty. And you're going to get 3 of every single one. So that's going to give you a total of 48 sheets. They're each different, as you can see, and they are just stunning. Of course, purple is one of my favorite colors. And I think it's also Sarah's, because that's kind of the color that they use for Crafters Companion. And you can see that they all have that very soft vintage look, which is what you would expect. A lot of flowers, more than I kind of thought there would be with the title of vintage lace. And there you go. So absolutely beautiful. They are 180-pound weight, so probably if you put that into a weight of paper that we use here in the U.S., it would be about 80 to 100-pound weight. Vintage lace is the name of the collection, and the papers are the cornerstone.